Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over how to make a Spotify playlist. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, today on my channel, I want to share how to create a Spotify playlist. Now, you can create a Spotify playlist on your laptop or on your mobile phone, but today I'm about to share how to do it on your laptop. Now, it's very simple. All you have to do is log on to your Spotify account, go to your profile, right? And in the left hand corner, you will see a button that says create playlist, right? After you click this button, create playlist, you will see another page pop up where it's telling you to choose a photo, choose a name, for your playlist, and add a description. Now I'm about to go over exactly how you would do this. The first thing you want to do is create a photo for your playlist cover, right? Now, to create a photo, right, I recommend a website called bannersnack.com. That's bannersnack.com. I'll have a link in the description for y'all to check out. When you go on bannersnack.com and you come to the template section on the left hand corner, and all you have to do is search music, right? You will see all of these templates for music, style, cover art, playlist, album designs, right? And all you have to do is come on here and pick one that you like and then edit it, right? Whatever one you pick, you'll be able to come on here and edit it, right? So I got this one. It's like a golden record, right? And I just added my name, Yon World, and we're gonna call this playlist the Golden Age playlist, right? So after that, all you have to do is press download, and then you can save as a ping file or a JP. After you create your cover art, you just go back to Spotify, right? And you choose photo, and then you choose the photo, right? Then you enter the playlist name, and then you enter a description, right? And then you save. After that, you can add new songs, right? You just click on the releases, or you can search Yon World. We're gonna add different flex. To add a song, you just go to the artist profile, look up the song that you want to add, and click on the three dots to the far right. Add to playlist. Your newest playlist will always be listed at the top, Golden Age, and you will get a blue confirmation button at the bottom when it's added to the playlist, right? So that's how you create this playlist on Spotify. If y'all have any questions, make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment. You can email me. I'll have links in the description. Make sure you check out my website. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.